Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the EasyToys Velvet Vibe. So let's get started. So this is the EasyToys Velvet Vibe itself. Now this is shown here in the colour black, but it's also available in the colour pink as well. Now this is a perfect compact vibrator, so you can take it wherever you want to go. Travel friendly, and you can easily pop it in your handbag as well. This is a small bullet vibrator that is indispensable in your nightstand. The vibrator feels very soft and smooth and is very simple and easy to operate with the push button at the bottom just here. It has no less than 10 vibration settings to choose from. It's also splashproof, so you can take it with you in the shower as well for extra fun sensations. To turn on, push and hold for a few seconds and it's on. To change the settings, tap the same button and enjoy all the wonderful vibration settings. To turn off, push and hold down for a few seconds and it's now off. The charging point is located just below the point itself. Using your USB charging cable provided, push through the silicone hole. This will not damage the toy and it will charge for you. The Velvet Vibe is perfect for both vaginal and clitoral stimulation. A perfect vibrator to add to your collection. Now, when using the Velvet Vibe, we would recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean the Velvet Vibe both before and after use. And for this, we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap with lukewarm water for good hygiene as well. And that is the EasyToys Velvet Vibe. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.